Hi guys, it's unexpected parcel video. It says on it, to the man who's further north than me, which can only mean one thing. It could be from literally anybody apart from Scott. But I happen to know that it's from my good friend Jerry. He did say a while ago he was going to send me something. I'd completely forgotten about it, and I have no idea what it is. So I'm going to just dig in and see what good is. This is Jerry, who sent me the issue 1 of Conquest, the Warhammer magazine, when I wasn't able to get a copy, which was absolutely fantastic of him. And this amazing reference book, which you may recall, which has got loads of funky groovy graphic art and stuff, all sorts of mecha, Machine and Krieger kind of stuff. And so who knows? Needless to say, if it turns out to be a mankini, this video will not be shown. But I think we're fairly safe there. It's only people like Chris who do things like that, hopefully. Need to find a way in. To find the top of the letter, as it were. And we're back. Oh my word. Hello, what have we got here? We have got, what have we got? Oh, we've got Sweeties, Edinburgh Rock. Now, if you haven't tried Edinburgh Rock, it's not like Seaside Rock, it's not like your Skeggy Rock or wherever. It's really nice. You've got to try it. Thank you so much, Jerry. Awesome. I shall be nibbling on some of that. Look at that. Fizz Whiz, popping candy. So yes, I'm gonna have to get a can of Coke to go with that. That's amazing. Oh, this is great. It's like a, oh, this is fantastic. And more, look at this. This is like being back in the school tuck shop. This is amazing. Dude, you are amazing. Thank you so much. That is so cool. Oh, I'm going to be enjoying that. I'm going to be enjoying that so much. And more popping candy. Oh, cherry flavour. That was one of my favourites at school. Yes, I can still remember that far back. What else have we got? Oh, dude. You are an utter start. For people who don't know what these are paint strainer filters. They have a really fine mesh of -5 million microns or something. And these are actually designed, 190 micron, there you go, I was close. And these are actually designed for big paint pots when you're spraying full size, but they can be used for all kinds of things. But Jerry sent me these because, like myself, he's recently gotten into the 3D printing, and we've talked about it a lot. And you use these for straining the resin from the photon printer when you're straining it back out of the vat, so that you don't get any lumps of resin back in the bottle or stuck in the vat, which then get squashed and damage the FEP, which is the plastic sheet at the bottom of the vat. So that is, look at that, that is so cool. You are an absolute gentleman. Thank you so much for those. They will get some use, and they are also, in a very novel way, incredibly useful for straining paint, would you believe? And what have we got here? And oh, what have we got? Oh, dude. This is a little filament oiler. That's great, thank you. You get, what you do is you put a little bit of a little dab of oil, just a little dab, like you would in an air filter, onto these, and you snap this around your PLA filament, and as it runs through, it cleans your filament of any dust or debris or general cack that could get stuck in your filament tube. So that is so cool. Thank you so much. That is so cool. And what on earth? Oh, 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 look at that. Now, he already gave me this, which is just amazing. I mean, I was so pleased with this, and I've spent hours just pouring through this and looking at the amazing builds and the amazing artwork in this thing. And look at this. This is obviously the same thing. I don't know if it's the same author, I'll have to check into that, but this is obviously in the same vein, and this is all sort of Machine and Krieger style mech work stuff. And oh man, look at that. That is amazing. Look at that. That's like a giant spider. That's great. Fox would like that. Oh wow. Oh, this is fantastic. This is fantastic. This looks like a real mix of kind of Machine and Krieger and yet modern day stuff as well. You've got some kind of dirtied up looking MAK stuff, but then sort of back here you've got this super duper sleek, fast looking futuristic turbo stuff going on. I mean, that's like a Ford GT40 but with legs. That's amazing. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, Jerry, dude, you are such a star. You really are an amazing kind gentleman. Thank you so much. Ooh, there you go. That's very kind of Gunpla, don't you think? Yeah, this is amazing. This is so cool. This is fantastic. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun looking through this and looking at all the things that I'm just not good enough to recreate, but it will give me ideas, and I appreciate it so much. That's fantastic, and I really appreciate the fizzy sweets, because I'm going to love those. I'm saving that one till last. Cherry was my favourite flavour at school, so yeah, that's definitely going to be the last one. And we've got something here in a separate little envelope, so we'll just have a look at that. Oh, dude, it's more 3D goodies. This is oh crikey, what's the name of it? The blue PTFE tube. There's a name for it. I can't remember the name off the top of my head. And these little spaces which fit into these Teflon tube clips, which stop them from coming loose. So we've got some clips for the hot end and for the extruder, for the Ender 3 filament printer, which you can possibly hear chugging away in the background. I'm actually printing a door sign for a friend. I've not used it in a little while, but I'm doing that this morning. Capricorn, that's the name. Capricorn tubing, which is supposed to be really good. It's supposed to be the Mutt's nuts, as they say. So I'm going to give that a try. Thank you so much. So we've got filament printer goodies with the little filament oiler cleaner. We've got some Edinburgh rock. You can never go wrong with Edinburgh rock. Made from genuine rocks from Edinburgh. From the castle. Well, not very many from the castle these days. They stopped people doing it because the castle was withering away to nothing. We've got popping candy, and I'm not one for pop fizzy drinks, but I'm just going to have to try it. We all know the story. I'm going to have to get myself a can of Coke or something. We've got paint strainers and resin filter straight. Look at that. Oh, they're going to last they're just going to last me ages. That's so cool. Oh, honestly, I'm overwhelmed. Thank you so much, Jerry. You are a gentleman, and for the amazing book as well. I have got a little parcel sent to you, nowhere near as impressive as all this, but I have got one sent to you, which I will be posting ASAP. But yes, thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, folks.